Hi everyone, today I'm here to present you some interesting news about faro detectors range. Devices like the detectors have become key points of our alarm system because they are able to notify in advance a burglar attempt. This is why we have to choose the right devices that are able to ensure high performances and total protection. Let's start with faro Balance. Faro Balance is a triple analogy outdoor volumetric detector with 2 IR sections and 1 microwave section. It is available in 2 different versions, one for installation between 80 and 120 centimeters with an operating range of 12 meters. The other one is for installations between 210 and 230 centimeters with an operating range of 10 meters. The detector is IP65 protected and it is equipped with the anti-blinding of the infrared through active LEDs technology and the anti-masking of the microwave. All of this through a dedicated output. The pet immunity is another important feature of this detector. Thanks to a special algorithm, it allows the partition of the detection beam with a triple analysis of the IR section. This ensures a total protection against animal and false alarms. Installation is very easy thanks to a technique called FIS, which stands for Fast Installation System. The detector is divided into 2 parts. On the back part, there is only the terminal block. After installation, you just need to connect the flat cable to the front part, where the whole electronic parts are located. After that, you just need to work on the trimmer to set the operating range and on the dip switches to set all the other functions of the detector. I am going to show you now the faro Balance in detail. As you can see, this is an open faro Balance. On this side, where the IR lenses are located, you can find the whole electronic part with a flat cable, the trimmer to set the operating range, the dip switches to set the functions of the product, and this screw that allows the right adjustment of the electronics based on the sloping of the floor. Don't forget the FIS, Fast Installation System. On the back part, we can find the terminals and the jumpers to set the balancing resistors. Here we have the input where you connect the flat cable once installation is done. Then we have the seal that makes the detector IP65 waterproof and the hole to pass the cable in the product. Lastly, this brass capsule allows air exchange to avoid the formation of humidity inside the detector. 2 accessories are included in the product box. The first one is a bracket that allows a 45-degree tilting of the detector. The second are 2 partializing lenses to narrow the beams to the central part only or to cut the right or left beam. Now let's move on to faro dead zone. Faro dead zone is basically a technical evolution of faro X. Thanks to this technical evolution, we were able to adapt even more faro dead zone for installations in terraces, windows and French doors. It is a double technology curtain detector with a microwave section and an infrared section. Installation has to be performed between 180 and 250 centimeters with an operating range between 6 and 8 meters. What's new is that this detector has no dead zones in its detection range. This is possible because the microwave goes down perpendicular to the detector itself, together with the IR. The detector is also equipped with the anti-blinding of the IR section through active LEDs technology, where you can also combine the anti-masking of the microwave, always with a dedicated output. There is also the possibility to get the pet immunity lens as optional. With the pet immunity lens, installation height should be between 80 and 140 centimeters. In this way, The detector can be used also if small animals are present. I am going to show you now Faro Dead Zone in detail. As you can see, the design of the front part is the same as Faro X. The proper innovation is the inclination of the microwave, which I am showing you also from the side. This specific position of the microwave allows the detector not to have any blind areas of detection. This means that the microwave goes down perpendicularly to the detector together with the IR, so that I can get an alarm even in the immediate proximity of the detector. The accessories for Faro Dead Zone also include an optional bracket kit made of a wall bracket, a swivel to turn the detector up, down, to the right or to the left, and a roof to protect the detector from the sun and rain. And lastly, Faro Super DT. Faro Super DT is a double technology volumetric detector for indoors, with a microwave section and an infrared section. Its main feature is the Super Pet Immunity System. This advanced detection system allows the detector to understand the size of the animal present in the house, thanks to a 2-level setting system. Installation can be done to the wall or to the angle, between 210 and 230 centimeters. This to ensure an excellent function of the pet immunity system. Operating range is 12 meters. Another very important function is the automatic echo. Thanks to a special algorithm, the detector constantly checks if there are people inside the room. If it keeps on seeing people inside the room, it understands that the alarm system is switched off, and so the microwave emissions are limited. I'm going to show you now Faro Super DT in detail. As you can see, Faro Super DT is a very small detector for civil applications. On the inside, we can find the microwave and the IR sections. What makes the detector different is its Super Pet Immune function. Right here you can see 2 dip switches, where you can set the size of the animal to be cut off to get the right functioning of the pet immunity. These are the 3 new products of our range of Faro detectors. Download now the datasheet to discover the full range, where you will find many different solutions for all kinds of applications. Get in touch with us for any additional information. See you soon!